Hi, this is Kunjan, and in this video, we are going to see some of the coolest feature of DreamPixel. It's an AI content creation tool built in India by Indians. It's very lean, which means 1 rupees is equal to 1 credit, and all your credits are saved for your life. Credits never expire, they're always there whenever you come back. All your projects are saved. You can organize your projects into items, and you can have your team work together. There is no seat license required. All of this I'm going to cover in this video, which I think is going to be very useful for you if you are an individual freelancer creator, and if you are a production studio, you can use our tool. It's competitive pricing, and I think you're going to love it. So, I'm going to answer most of the questions which come across whenever we are onboarding a new user in this series. And if I miss anything, you can just drop a comment or a DM, and I'll be happy to answer those questions or make a video for that feature. So, let's get started. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my DreamPixel. DreamPixel.Xyzion.ai will land you here, and you can click here, try DreamPixel. So once you land here, the DreamPixel tool, which is our AI content creation tool, that window opens. This is our homepage. So as you can see here is create history projects. This is my account here, and I can add credits. Okay, right now I have 347 credit. All UPI transaction, all banking transaction works in this tool. So you don't have to go to PayPal or any international banking system to add credits. So let's go back to create here. So this is our AI agent. Think of it like Claude or ChatGPT. Tell it what you want to create, and it will create for you. Not one image, not two image. It will create the story. So if you have a screenplay, you can just put your screenplay here, hit generate, and it will generate your images. If you want to animate, you animate all those images at once. So if you are a tech savvy person who knows what you are doing, if you are very comfortable with it, 100% use this, and it will generate beautiful results for you. But if you want to control each and every image or animation, we provide in-depth building experience for you. For that, you can do mood boarding. So you click on blank canvas. So let's see blank canvas in this video. We'll come back to different video where I'm covering AI agent for us, right? So when you click on blank canvas, this window gets open. This is my blank canvas. So once you land here, you get two options. First option is to use the AI agent, which means let AI do the work for you. If you have any screenplay, any director's note, or overall idea of what you want to create, you can just put it here. There is no word limit, and AI will create those character, location, and the entire story for you, and that gets created here scene wise, and it will come to you. The audio will be added, the SFX will be added. You can download that, take it to any editing tool, just stitch it together, and you get your full video in minutes. That is option 1. The option 2 is to create each scene by hand. When I say that, I say select the scene 1, put your image prompt, select your camera angle. Here is your image model you want to select. Here is your image resolution you want to have. If you have any reference character or location, you add that from here. Once your image gets created, you go to the animation, lip sync, SFX, and so on. And you keep on doing this for each and every scene till you get your whole video completed. So there are two ways to work on that. We'll cover that in different videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add characters. Here, this book icons, if you can see, yeah. If I select here, I get screenplay settings. I have character, location, narration, and visual. Once I set these, it is going to be consistent throughout the dream, which is my project. I can anytime add, delete, modify these items. If I click on characters, this page opens. Okay, we can see add characters. We have to give a name to our character. Let's say I'm giving name Alpha. Continue. So if you have a photo of your character, any photo, you can upload it here, and the AI will generate that as your reference character, and you can use that character for your video. Or second path is to build it from the scratch. Let's build it from the scratch.
Okay.
I'm going to select the male. He's a young adult, and his skin is light. His hair is brown. His hair is curly. And let's see, shoes. And then you start adding the attributes to that character. So attributes means who is he? He's a music professor. College. Wise.
Okay.
You can add any number of attributes to that person, right? So it will help the AI understand your vision better and generate your character. You can add any number of items here. Once you have added all the descriptions of your character, how it is going to look, whether it is the micro personality details, then you can click on generate. Just note you can add anything, any command, any description here, and AI will understand this. So here, once I click on generate, I'm gonna use 39 credits, which means 39 rupees. Click on generate. Within 30 seconds, I'm gonna get my character Alpha with all the details I have just provided. If I don't like it, I can regenerate, I can make changes to the same character.
Yes, sir. That's good.
I don't like this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back, and I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna go back.
True.
I'm gonna change the age of the person. Here. Click. Light. Dark brown. This is fine. Curly. And I'm gonna change it to casual. And I'm gonna regenerate my character. So this is how we do regenerate. So I did not like the character which was made. So I went back and made some changes to the age and the color dressing of my character, and then I'm regenerating. So this process is we are gonna do this process when we don't have the characters and we are generating it for the first time. If you already have a character, you can just provide its image, and the AI will do its job to save your character and create different camera angles of your character. Yeah, this looked like my music professor, which I was looking for. I'm happy with my characters. I will continue. And now I have option to generate sheet, for which I'm spending 65 credits. Generating sheet is an optional step which we do, but since I want to cover it in this video, I'm gonna generate the sheet. You can just create your character and proceed with your video creation, and it will keep your alpha character consistent throughout your video. But there is a process of generating sheet. I'll just show you why we are doing that. So the sheet has created. This is This is my, I'll just download it. So all the angles of my music professor Alpha has got character here. He's a college professor. He's fun, music professor, tall, friendly, hiding pain, wise. So this is a neutral, angry, happy, sad, and focused face. As you can see, his shoes, his jeans, his looks are 100% consistent, and it is going to be like this throughout my content. Okay, so that's the reason we have created this. I'll click on done. So alpha is ready. This is my character 1, and here I can select voices. Here these are some of the voices which we have here. If you have any requirement for adding a custom voice, that option is also present. I will show you that, but for now I'm gonna go with Maxwell.
Sometimes it is better to lose and do the right thing than to win and do the wrong thing.
So it's a deep and dramatic voice, which I think will be good. So I've selected my voice for my character, and voila, my character is ready. My alpha professor is ready. And I'll close this, and here I come back and I say alpha playing.
Yeah.
So this is my prompt. As you can see, it is a very vague prompt. Let's see what it does. I am confident in my AI agent, which we call AI CD, to understand this prompt and infer the meaningful version of this prompt and provide me with a intelligent prompt for my image and animation. So quickly I'm going to select my image model. As you can see, Nano Banana Pro, and here I have animation model as Kling 3 Pro. These are text edit models, so I'm not using text edit, so I'll just leave it as it is. Here is the go button. I'm gonna click on go. So it is gonna plan my changes and understand my request. It will understand my characters, all its angles, and it is gonna provide me with a plan on how it is approaching my request. I have option to approve, deny, or refine that whatever plan image prompt it has created. So as you can see on the screen here, we have 5-second animated scene for Alpha teaching piano to students in Grand College Music Room. Applied Christopher Nolan inspired photorealistic visual style with dramatic dim lighting. Established college music room location. So it has added a new location, so we can use it next time. Set the story title. Scene 1 features slow camera pushing with Alpha at the grand piano and students watching. So phase 1 entity setup location has been created. Scene 1, this is my image prompt, this is my character, and this is my animation. Okay. I don't need this, so I'm gonna uncheck this. It was creating the image. This is my story. And I'm gonna approve. This is my music room image, the location it was creating. It has appeared here. Now the scene one gets created. So I'll just quickly check meanwhile the locations. As you can see, we have our college music room, which is added by AI agent, which is, I think, is amazing. The lighting and everything straight out of a movie. So I like it. Let's see how our shot comes up. So our alpha is sitting there. These are the students who are learning and watching him. So this is my image. As you can see here, we have our image prompt, which my AI agent used have come here with the details of the camera, lighting, everything. So I have option to edit it if I need to late. And this is my selected character and location. The model that was used was Nano Banana Pro. And if I click on read this generate again, this image is gonna change, but I don't want to change it now. I really like it. As you can see, it's still working. That means something is happening in the system. So what if I move to animation? You see the animation is going to get created. Applying face animation. So I'm gonna wait for my animation to get created. So the animation has come, and let's see how that looks.
Okay.
I think it looks pretty good. I'll show you one more thing. Here, under animation, we have selected Kling 3.0. We can also select Seedance. Let's see what Seedance does. So I have enabled the audio and multi-shot here. I will also make it 180p, 5 seconds. I can change it to 7 seconds. And click on generate. So here my clip has gotten created with audio on and multi-shot on. So let's see how it is looking. Awesome. I really like it. So I'll just play it once again. Yeah. So this is about this video. I'm gonna end this video here.